Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule Doordash shifts. So first of all, if you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Play Store depending on your device and log into your Dasher account. Now tap on the schedule tab. Within the app, this is where you can view available shifts and schedule your dash times. Select the date you want to schedule a shift for. DoorDash allows you to schedule shifts up to a week in advance depending on your location and availability. Scroll through the available shifts, dash time for that date. The available times will be marked in green. Tap on the green time slot that fits your availability and desired working hours. Each shift typically has a specified start and end time. After selecting a shift, confirm your selection by tapping on the schedule or confirm button. You can view your schedule shift under the schedule tab. You can also modify or cancel shifts if needed by navigating to the schedule section and tapping on the shift you want to adjust. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.